you ever wished you could improve your vision and memory while you sleep? Imagine waking up feeling sharper, your mind clearer, and your eyes brighter. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that this is possible with just 3 simple dry fruits you can eat every night? These natural foods are not only tasty but also packed with nutrients that support your brain and eyes. Today, I'm going to share with you the secret of these 3 dry fruits. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which ones to eat and how they work to repair your vision and boost memory naturally. And here's a little reward for staying with me till the end. You'll also learn a bonus tip that most people overlook, which can make these dry fruits even more powerful. Warm, confident, with slight excitement. Let's start with the king of brain foods, the walnut. Have you noticed how a walnut looks just like the human brain? That's nature's clue. It's made for your brain's health. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that protect brain cells. They boost focus, memory, and learning power, naturally. Just a handful before bed can help your brain repair while you sleep. Scientists call walnuts food for the mind, and for good reason. They improve blood flow to the brain and reduce stress. That's why people who eat walnuts daily think clearer and feel younger. So tonight, grab a few walnuts before bed and feed your mind naturally. Soothing, confident, natural. Next, let's talk about almonds, the golden protectors of your eyes. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, which shields your eyes from damage. This vitamin fights dryness, blurriness, and weak vision. It keeps your eye tissues young and strong, even as you age. Almonds also improve blood flow around the eyes. That means more oxygen, less strain, and sharper vision. Eating just 5 to 6 soaked almonds before sleep can do wonders. As you rest, your eyes start to heal from daily stress. You'll wake up feeling fresh, with vision that feels clearer and brighter. Almonds don't just feed your body, they bring light to your eyes. Soft, relaxing, slightly dreamy. Now, meet the night healer, the humble pistachio. Tiny, green, and powerful, pistachios work while you sleep. They contain vitamin B6, which boosts melatonin for better sleep. Better sleep means better memory and faster brain repair. Pistachios also protect the retina, the part of your eye that sees the world. Their lutein and zeaxanthin act like natural sunglasses for your eyes. They also keep your nerves calm and your mood balanced. That's why eating pistachios before bed helps you wake up recharged. Your eyes, mind, and body all feel refreshed and alive again. It's like giving your body a natural night repair system. Calm, heartfelt, uplifting, like a soft evening reflection. Now, here's the bonus tip I promised you. Soak all 3 dry fruits in water before you sleep. This simple step unlocks their nutrients and makes them easier to digest. In the morning, eat them on an empty stomach for best results. You'll feel your energy rise, and your eyes and mind thank you. Stay consistent. 1 week can bring a big change. Your memory, focus, and sleep will all start to improve. Nature gives us everything we need. We just have to use it. Start tonight, and let your body heal while you rest. Your health is in your hands. 1 small habit can change your life.